What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 12 live cop. I'm finally back with the live cops and I'm super excited. Before we get into it, I did want to say I am very sick right now and please excuse the traffic. What I was saying, my voice may sound a little bit different, so I am sorry about that, but I wanted to bring you guys this video, and yeah, I really hope the traffic is not going to be that loud. Anyways, for this week, it is highlighted by the Stone Island collab. See, here's the thing. I really want the lamp. That's probably like top tier on my priority list of things I wanted this season. But that t-shirt that Stone Island did drop, I really did like. But I kind of feel like it's one or the other. I don't think I'll be able to get both. But I mean, I'm going to try, but I don't think I'm going to try to double card it. I think I'm just going to try to go strictly for the lamp. So yeah, it's supposed to be $88. Let's hope that is accurate and it's not going to be way more than that. I did want to say too, a lot of you guys know I do have my own clothing brand. It is Hellheart. It did change its name because it was originally Sudden, but we have changed our name. But I did want to put a plug in here that tomorrow for Friday the 13th, we will be dropping $13.13 tees. It will be this tee right here. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in the description. So let me get this queued up so we can knock out the screen recording. So here we are on the screen right now. Last week I did end up copying this Umbro jacket because that was like my most wanted thing of the season, clothing wise. So I did have to pick that up. I didn't even get it yet, which is kind of odd. Usually I get my stuff pretty quickly. Let's just keep refreshing. I don't know if I should refresh on new or accessories. Even after all these years of doing it, I don't know what to do. When I used to continuously make live cop videos, you guys would always roast me for clicking on new. But I mean, when I usually do it on the category I want, I seem to always take a loss for some reason. I'm always hitting the dubs when I'm on new, so I don't really know who to believe, if I should trust my own instinct or what. But yeah, hopefully this ends up going well. Alright guys, we got 30 seconds left, and roughly about 30 seconds left until the drop. Let's go. Good luck everybody, even though the drop would have already happened by the time you are watching this. I'm a little nervous because I kind of feel like this lamp is going to resell for a lot, and knowing me, I am going to pay resale for it if I don't get it. So hopefully I can cook. Alright, here we go. We got 10 seconds left. Man, I don't know what I should do. Accessories or new? Accessories or new? You know what? I'm going to just try accessories today for you guys because I already know I'm going to get cooked in the comments like I usually do. Alright, we're already starting to lag. Not good. Maybe I'll try new. Umbro stuff's still there, so no. Let's go back. Not looking good. The drop happened 10 seconds ago and it's not here yet. Oh, here we go. The lamp, it is $88. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wasn't expecting that. Alright. Oh no. Come on. Come on. I'm afraid to click off. Usually every time I click off, it just ends up being a loss. Oh my god, we got it. Let's go. Very hype on that. Will I have time to get the Stone Island shirt? Probably not, because I feel like that is already gone. I wanted this colorway. Wow, $148. Do I really want this? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Dang, that kind of sucks low-key, because I wasn't the biggest fan of it. Wow, you got to do this thing again. Alright, let's go back to the view all real quick, because I got the lamp, so I'm not tripping too hard. Wow, it's actually still in stock. Maybe I really could have gotten that. That's unfortunate. How much was this hat? 66 bucks. Appears I probably should have went for the hat instead. Yeah, these things are sick. I've seen these. You know, I really don't think I want to get this shirt low-key. It's probably gone already, but like that's kind of expensive, and you could roast me in the comments. I really don't feel like paying that for that one t-shirt. I wasn't the biggest fan. I'd rather just get like a regular Stone Island tee. Alright, well that was like not as crazy as I thought it was going to be. I feel like I really checked out very quickly. No way this... Okay, it's sold out now. Alright, good. I was going to say, there is no way. I predicted that super wrong. I thought for sure that was going to sell out like way quicker than that. I feel like I could have double carded it to save on shipping. Well, that actually wouldn't even been enough anyways, but still, like, wow, I was not expecting that. I was way wrong about that. Here, let's, since I used to do this too, you guys used to like this, because you guys used to ask me to do this. Let's go to StockX real quick and just see if it is going anywhere yet. Even though I don't know if it's going to be up here already. Let's type in Supreme Lamp. Let's see. Yeah, it might not be up here yet. Dang, rest in peace. I used to have this. Alright, it's not on StockX yet, so we can't really see. But I guess I could end the screen recording, so let me end that right now. So yeah, I was super wrong about that. I thought that thing was gonna fly. Clearly, it did not. It was the most hyped item of the week, so I feel like I probably could have got more things in that cart with that. So yeah, my bad guys, I was super wrong about that. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully I can start doing live cops again if this is something you want to see. Make sure you hit the like button and comment down below so I know you guys want to see stuff like this, and I will try my best to deliver a new one for you guys. But lastly, before I go, don't forget tomorrow for Friday the 13th, I will be dropping $13.13 tees. The link will be in the description down below to the brand. I appreciate you guys so much for the support, especially since I've been gone for so long. Keep popping in every now and then. You guys still continue to support the video, so I do greatly appreciate that. Again, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have copped anything from this drop, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.